Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling a common task: sending Solana from KuCoin to your Coinbase wallet. With the crypto world evolving fast, especially in 2025, it's crucial to stay on top of secure transfers. Whether you're moving funds for trading or just building your portfolio, this step-by-step guide will make it simple and stress-free. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have your KuCoin account set up and verified. Log in to your KuCoin dashboard. It's the gateway to your crypto assets. Once you're in, navigate to the Assets or Wallet section. Here, you'll see a list of your holdings, including Solana. Click on Solana to select it, then look for the Withdraw option. This is where the magic happens. Next, you'll need to enter the wallet address from your Coinbase app. Open your Coinbase wallet, go to the Receive section, and copy the Solana address. Double-check it to avoid any costly mistakes. Paste this address into the withdrawal form on KuCoin. Don't forget to specify the amount you want to send. Start small if you're new to this. Also, ensure the network is set to Solana, SOL, to prevent any compatibility issues. That's a big one in 2025 with all the blockchain upgrades. Before you hit Confirm, review the transaction details, including fees. Crypto fees can vary, so keep an eye on that to avoid surprises. Once you're ready, click Confirm, and KuCoin will process the withdrawal. This might take a few minutes, depending on network congestion. Now, switch over to your Coinbase wallet app and refresh it. You should see your Solana arriving shortly. If it doesn't show up right away, don't panic. Give it some time and check the transaction status on a blockchain explorer like Solana's official site. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred Solana from KuCoin to Coinbase wallet. Remember, always prioritize security in the crypto space. Use hardware wallets for long-term storage if possible. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more 2025 crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.